I suggest to everyone who belong from non-IT background and to make career in IT stream, visit a STAD Solution once. Hello, my name is 𝐂𝐴𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵𝐵. I have completed a Bachelor of Business Administration degree in 2022. I have a two-year experience in Hindustan Unilever Private Limited. During my job, I decided to switch to my career from non-IT to the IT field. So that one of my friends suggested me to join STAD Solution. After that, I visited STAD Solution. I joined for manual testing training. Here I learned live web testing practice like Instagram, eBay, school lunchbox, etc. Supportive and cooperative faculty practice and task also reviewed by the faculty. Faculty are very supportive. Whenever I have any query, they guide me very well. I suggest to everyone who belong from non-IT background and to make career in IT stream, visit a STAD Solution once. Thanks STAD Solution to give a very best support.